What's going on, guys? With all this coronavirus mumbo jumbo going on, decided I would get my bike ready while I change the oil in it because, let's see, take a look at it. As you can see, that level is low as hell. So right here calls for 10W40, so you got some Castrol Power 1. And the filter, just a regular filter for Ninja 400's a KN303. If you go with the K&N one, you can go with just stock ones, OEM, just all preference. So I went with this. It calls for 2 quarts if you change the filter. I did get 3, but we'll put 1 in and see what it looks like after that. So to get started, you gotta remove, yes, I know, the underside is what happens when you keep a bike outside. Hopefully a garage soon. But there's a filter you just take off, and then the drain plug is right there. So let's get into it. Here we go, so that's out. Still draining a little bit. We'll let that finish, and then we'll move over to the oil plug. So now that we got that loosened up, we're just gonna go in here. And there comes the rest of it. So I'll let this finish, and then I'll catch up with you guys when I get to the next part. Okay, so now that I have the plug back in, I don't know if you guys, right there, you want to come over to your new oil filter. Just get a little bit in there. Yes, cringeworthy. Gonna grab this one up, lube it up a little bit. Make sure you got all the threads lubed a little. Sorry guys, I don't have gloves, whatever. Deal with it. It's alright, we got a towel right here, wipe it all off. So, now, you wanna come back up here, get this bad boy back into place. You also, like I'm going to do, grab a wrench, torque it down a bit, so you know it's not going anywhere. And your new filter should be good. Next, you're gonna come over here to this side of the bike. Right here is where you fill it, and we're gonna do that right now. And here's a little gauge. You can see there's 2 little notches on each side. You want to make sure that's basically in the middle. One down, 1 more to go. Alrighty guys, and as you can see, it is perfectly in between those 2 notches. It's a little above halfway through it, so that means a job well done. Perfect fill. Now we'll just come here, screw this back on, and that's it. No leaking at the filter, no leaking at the bolt. Means a job well done. Level's perfect, like I said, in between those 2 little notches. Just make sure you do that. Make sure you have the right oil, 10W40, 2 quarts if you replace the filter. If you don't, I think it's like 1.6 quarts. But it's pretty simple. It's 3 little things you gotta take off to fill it up, drain it, and that's about it. Catch you in the next one. Peace. Another new little appearance upgrade. We got the driven, I think they're street or, I don't know, street or racing grips. As you can see, I already put on here. It's kind of a pain, so I'll walk you through this one. So first, I have bar ends. So you're gonna go ahead, take those off. And these are held on by some sort of glue, so to get them off, kind of sit here and just work around it. Try and free the grip from the glue. You gotta try and get it all the way up, because there is a little notch that these stock grips hold on to at the very end. I mean, there are 2 ways you can do this. So the other one, I just cut it off because I'm not using these anymore. So we're probably just gonna do that with this one. Alright, now that we have that cut, we can just take it off like that. Now that we have this off, we can, the other one, see, was a little different because we have the throttle tube. But this one, and I'll have to go get some glue to keep this one stuck on there. But, you know, it just slides on right like that. And then we're just gonna come back here, put the bar end back on because I did get open end ones, so I could do this. And keep these bar ends. Just put these back on just like that. As far as we can go. You know, we might be able to keep it like that, but I'm gonna go get some glue. Keep that secure. And then here's the new look. Yes, white's gonna get dirty, but like I said before, I got the red clutch lever because I'm going to be wrapping this bike eventually. White, red, and we'll probably do some black accents, but for the most part it'll be white and red, so that's the reason for this and the red. Pretty simple, just this one's a little different, a lot tighter. You don't even need glue for this because of the throttle tube, which this one obviously doesn't have. There's no reason for it, but that's the finished look.